Hello dear students, welcome to the online class of Christians of the Convent Senior Secondary School Bagpat. I am your teacher Abhishek Mittal and today I am going to teach you Act 1st, Scene 2nd, Part 3rd. Part 1st and Part 2nd has already been taught to you, the video has also been sent. So today I am going to just describe you about the Part 3rd. So in Part 3rd we are going to see a conversation between Prospero and Ferdinand, the son of King Alonso. In this particular scene, we find that Ariel has lured Ferdinand, King Alonso's son, with sweet music. So, as you know, that Ferdinand had jumped from the wrecking ship and he had reached the island alone. Okay, so it was all according to the plan of Prospero that they should reach the island in groups and not together. And he wants Ferdinand to reach the island alone. So, that has been taken care of by Ariel. So through his sweet music or through his magical spell, he brought Ferdinand to the place where Prospero wanted him to be. Ferdinand believes that his father has died in the shipwreck. So because Ferdinand has seen that the ship was completely destroyed in that particular storm, so he believes that his father has already died. Okay. When Ferdinand and Miranda see each other for the first time, they fall in love with each other. So it was a love at first sight between Miranda and Ferdinand, and it was all according to the plan of Prospero. They both saw each other and they instantly fall in love. It is a love at first sight as Prospero had planned, but does not want his daughter to be easily won. So he speaks roughly to Ferdinand. So though they started loving each other instantly, but Prospero did not want her daughter to won so easily. Okay, so instead of speaking very calmly or very genuinely to Ferdinand, because Ferdinand, he knows, is a prince of Naples. Okay, he started speaking roughly to Ferdinand. He tells him that he is not the heir to the throne of Naples as he claims, but a spy. Even though Ferdinand tried to tell Prospero that I am the prince of Naples, which Prospero already knows, but still he denies his claim and told him that you are no prince but you are a spy. He accuses him of trying to steal the island from him. So he tells him that you have come here as a spy and you want to capture my island. Okay, you want to steal the island from him. Prospero threatens him to put him in chains and give him seawater to drink and dry roots to eat. So Prospero also gave him some threats that he will put him in chains and give him seawater to drink and dry roots to eat if he did not speak the truth, which he already was speaking. Prospero orders Ferdinand to follow him, but he refuses to do so. Ferdinand draws his sword to fight against Prospero, but Prospero renders him incapable of moving with his magical power. So Prospero initially he tried to dominate Ferdinand, but Ferdinand did not hear even a single word of Prospero. He was very adamant because he was already a prince. Okay, it was not a lie on his part. So when Prospero orders him to follow him, he did not followed his order. Instead, he took out his sword to fight against Prospero. But Prospero, through his magical powers, renders him incapable of moving. Okay, through his magical power. Miranda tells her father not to be harsh towards him and begs him to release him. So Miranda interrupts here and he asks her father to not to be too harsh towards him, because Miranda has also started loving Ferdinand. Prospero scolds Miranda and tells her not to influence his decision. Ferdinand loves Miranda deeply and so accepts Prospero's decision. So when Prospero scolded Miranda, then Ferdinand felt some pain, some pain towards her. So ultimately he accepted the decision of Prospero. Whatever Prospero has asked him to do, that is the piling up of logs, that you will find out later what he actually wanted him to do. So he got convinced, or he agreed to do whatever is being told to him by Prospero. So this is what we are going to study in the next class. I hope you have understood. If there is any doubt, please do ask me in the live class. Thank you and have a nice day.